Hello everyone. Welcome to For the People YouTube channel. In this video you will learn about the important current affairs from June 20th to June 26th. It is very much important to know what is happening around us. So we have created this video to know what is happening around us. This video will helpful for all the people who are preparing for the competitive exams like civil services groups exam, defense jobs, banks and much more. First one. India and Bhutan have signed an agreement to enhance cooperation in the environment sector. The agreement was signed virtually by Prakash Javadekar, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and Dr. Tundi Dorji, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Bhutan and head of the National Environment Commission. Who is the President of Bhutan? Lottie Shering, President of Drukgyal Shokpa, Bhutan. Who is the President of India? Ram Nath Kovind, born the 1st of October 1945, is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current President of India. Next one. Tribal Affairs Minister Shri Arjun Munda inaugurated the second National Sickle Cell Conference on the 19th of June on the occasion of World Sickle Cell Awareness Day 2021. Who is the Defence Minister of India? Shri Rajnath Singh. Who is the Minister of Home Affairs? Shri Amit Shah. Who is the Minister of External Affairs? Dr. Subramaniam Jayashankar. Who is the Minister of Tribal Affairs? Shri Arjun Munda. Next one. The Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Shri Thawarchand Gehlot. The ministry has decided to set up 5 disability sports centers in different parts of the country. Ahmedabad city has been identified for opening one such center. Do you know? The Paralympics, which caters to persons with some kinds of physical disability and is separate from the Deaflympics and the Special Olympic World Games, 2 other major sporting competitions for PWDs, has had a lopsided participation from women in the Indian contingent. Next one. Bengaluru has been named as the most livable city in India in the Ease of Living Index 2020 released by the Center for Science and Environment CSE contingent. Do you know? Vishakhapatnam, the name was coined after Vishakha, the Hindu god of valor. It is surrounded by eastern Ghats and faces Bay of Bengal on the east. It is also called the City of Destiny, because of its landscapic view and very attractive beaches. It is the headquarters of Eastern Naval Command. Next one. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the MyYoga app on the occasion of International Day of Yoga and gave the mantra of Yoga to Sahyog Tak. This app will play a big role in the expansion of yoga across the world. This app has been launched in collaboration with the World Health Organization WHO, Authentic Yoga, just a click away. The WHOM Yoga app. Do you know? Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and Messenger are the most used apps in the world. Now these 4 apps are being running by Facebook. Next one. Recently, the Technical Committee of the National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA) has approved the creation of Ramgarh Vishdhari Wildlife Sanctuary in Rajasthan as a tiger reserve. It will become the 4th tiger reserve, a tiger sanctuary of Rajasthan. India's 52nd tiger reserve will be here. Do you know? There are 566 existing wildlife sanctuaries in India covering an area of 122,420 square kilometers, which is 3.72% of the geographical area of the country. National Wildlife Database, December 2020. Another 218 sanctuaries are proposed in the Protected Area Network report covering an area of 16,829 square kilometers. Next one. Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) successfully test-fired the subsonic cruise missile Nirbhay from an integrated test range ITER at Chandipur in Balasore, Orissa on June 24, 2021. Do you know? Who is the chief mentor of DRDO? Shri K. S. Varaprasad, DSNDG, HR. Who is the convener of DRDO? Dr. A. K. Singh, DSNDG, LS. Who is the secretary of DRDO? SH. Sanjay Pal, Scientist G. Next one. National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC) and WhatsApp have launched their Digital Skill Champions program on June 24, 2021. National Skill Development Corporation. This program has been launched with the aim of imparting training on digital skills to make Indian youth employable. These skills will culminate with the Digital Skill Champions certification by WhatsApp and NSDC. Do you know? Who are the founders of WhatsApp? Jan Koum and Brian Acton. Next one. Jamsetji Tata ranks at top of the philanthropist list. Jamsetji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group, has acquired a top rank on the philanthropist list. He has emerged as the world's biggest philanthropist in the last 100 years by donating $102 billion. Azim Premji is the only other Indian who has been ranked 12th in the top 50 list. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Please share this video with all your friends and family members and help them in knowing what is happening around them, and share it with the people who are preparing for competitive exams will be very much helpful for them. Please subscribe our channel.